Did you think choosing the right AI web builder would be easy? I did too. I've tested dozens of no-code platforms and watched thousands of entrepreneurs build real businesses without writing a single line of code. But here's the truth. Most people get lost in marketing hype and end up picking the wrong tool. So today I'll make it simple for you. After testing both Base44 and Lovable, I'm going to break down the key differences that will help you choose the perfect platform for your goals. The reality is that too many entrepreneurs waste weeks jumping between platforms, get frustrated, and give up before launching their ideas. Choosing the wrong tool can kill a great project before it even starts. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform fits you best, why it does, and how to avoid the mistakes that make most people quit early. So let's start with the big picture, what each platform is actually built for. Base44 is an all-in-one platform that integrates everything: backend, database, hosting, authentication, analytics, and more. On the other hand, Lovable is modular. It connects to external tools like Supabase or custom APIs. Think of Base44 as a fully equipped kitchen where everything's ready to use, while Lovable is more like a cooking station where you bring your own tools. In simple terms, Base44 is about simplicity and automation, while Lovable focuses on flexibility and control. Your choice depends on whether you prefer convenience or customization. Now, let's talk about the interface and ease of use because that's what affects your daily workflow. Base44 offers a streamlined interface. You simply describe what you want in plain English and its AI builds it for you. Meanwhile, Lovable provides detailed drag-and-drop control separating front-end and back-end setup. For example, if you want to create a user login system, Base44 does it with just a few clicks. In Lovable, you'll need to connect external databases and configure everything manually. So overall, Base44 is perfect for beginners who want fast results, while Lovable is better if you enjoy building things piece by piece. When it comes to backend and database capabilities, the difference becomes even clearer. Base44 automatically creates your database API and authentication system. It also includes backups, analytics, and scaling right out of the box. Lovable, however, requires linking to external services like Supabase and manually configuring authentication, APIs, and analytics. If you're a business-focused creator, Base44 saves you a ton of time. But if you're more of a technical builder who likes customizing every layer, then Lovable gives you that freedom. Now let's talk about something everyone cares about: pricing. On paper, both platforms look affordable, but the total cost tells a different story. With Base44, a single subscription covers everything: hosting, database security, analytics, and updates. That means predictable monthly cost with no surprises. Lovable, on the other hand, has a lower base price, but you'll need to pay extra for external tools like Supabase, hosting, authentication, and analytics. In real-world projects, Base44 usually ends up being cheaper overall because there are no hidden add-ons. Lovable can still be cost-effective if you already know how to manage those services efficiently, but for most people, Base44 offers a better value. Let's now look at development speed because time is money. In a simple test where we build a customer feedback app, Base44 lets you describe the app, generate the structure, automatically customize the design, and deploy it, all in about 15 minutes. Lovable, however, takes closer to an hour and a half because you need to design the interface, set up Supabase, connect the backend, configure hosting, and then deploy manually. So Base44's automation dramatically speeds up the process, helping you test ideas faster and launch sooner. Lovable takes longer, but it gives you more control during setup, which might be worth it if your project needs special configurations. Next, let's compare customization and flexibility, because not every app should look or behave the same. Base44 allows you to describe changes in natural language, and its AI automatically applies those changes throughout your app. This works great for standard business applications. Lovable, on the other hand, gives you direct access to every component, CSS, and API endpoint, allowing you to fine-tune your design and logic however you like. If you want to quickly tweak branding and features, Base44's AI handles it beautifully. But if you want pixel-perfect design or advanced code integration, Lovable is definitely the better choice. Now, how easy is it to actually learn these platforms? Base44 uses conversational AI and avoids technical jargon, focusing on helping you build usable apps right away. Tutorials are business-oriented and show you results fast. The platform also fixes many technical issues automatically in the background. Lovable, however, assumes you want to learn real development concepts. You'll need to understand database, APIs, hosting, and debugging. It's more technical, but it gives you a deeper understanding of how things work. So, if you're an entrepreneur, Base44 helps you launch faster. If you're an aspiring developer, Lovable helps you grow your technical skills. But what happens when your app starts to grow? Let's talk about scalability. Base44 scales automatically. Its servers and security systems expand as your user base grows, and built-in analytics help you identify performance issues before they become problems. Now let's quickly address a few common questions people usually have. Which platform is better for beginners? That's clearly Base44. It removes all the technical roadblocks so you can focus on your business. What if you outgrow your chosen platform? Both can scale, but they do it differently. Base44 adds new features through AI upgrades, while Lovable lets you integrate new tools and code. Which offers better value for money? Usually Base44, since everything's included. Lovable seems cheaper at first, but once you add the cost of external services, it often ends up more expensive. And what about data ownership? Both platforms let you export your data. With Base44, it's centralized in one place. With Lovable, your data is already distributed across the services you manage yourself. So how do you decide which one's right for you? Choose Base44 if you have little or no technical experience, if you want an all-in-one solution, prefer predictable pricing, and care about speed over flexibility. It's also perfect if you're building standard business or productivity apps and want to focus on business growth instead of infrastructure. But choose Lovable if you have some technical background or want to learn more about development. If you prefer managing your own external tools, need advanced customization, and don't mind handling multiple services. It's also great if you're building complex or unique apps that require special configurations. In short, Base44 is all about simplicity, automation, and speed, while Lovable focuses on control, flexibility, and customization. To make this even clearer, let's compare a real-world cost example for a typical business app. Base44 costs $99 per month, so around $1,188 per year, everything included. Lovable looks cheaper at first. $25 per month for the platform plus another $25 for Supabase, $20 for hosting, $15 for authentication, and $30 for analytics. That adds up to roughly $1,380 per year. So even though Lovable starts cheaper, Base44 often saves you money in the long run, and more importantly, saves you weeks of setup and maintenance time. After testing both platforms, here's the final takeaway. Base44 is the best option for entrepreneurs and beginners who want to build apps quickly without dealing with technical details. Lovable, on the other hand, is for tech-savvy users who want total control over their stack. Both platforms are great, it just depends on your priorities. The future belongs to those who create with AI, to the builders, the dreamers, the ones who turn ideas into reality. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Build something that matters. Start your journey today with the tools that empower you to create faster, smarter, and bigger than ever before. And if this video sparked an idea in you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because next week we're building a fitness tracking app that doesn't just measure progress, it keeps you consistent, focused, and unstoppable.